Let's go ahead and check out our next shop here by Shayla. And we've got Songbird Leathers. Fine, custom, handmade leather goods built to last out of Nashville, Tennessee. Awesome. My friend lives up there in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's see, Christina, do you set it as manual renew or auto renew? I do both. I have my listings on auto renew, and I think they renew every time they sell, but then I also go in there and manually renew them myself. So let's check out, who is this? I always like to get people's names. Shayla shop here. Really pretty. I like this. This one gets my attention right here. This blue wallet. That is so pretty. Handmade leather wallet, clutch leather wallet, minimalist leather wallet, slim wallet, women's leather wallet, and card holder wallet. So I think you are missing blue. I mean, I can't describe this art item any more than this item is blue. So I would say, you know, blue leather wallet is a keyword you should have on it because it's just the best way to describe it. Blue leather wallet. And that might not be a big keyword. It is a big keyword. 25,000 results. And your wallet is as beautiful and as blue as they come. So I would recommend that keyword to you. You put the keyword blue on here. So I would do. I would probably honestly make that my #1 keyword because I'm actually a little surprised that there's so many search results for that one. 25,872 results. And let's see, Janet. Janet, are you the owner of this shop here, Songbird Leathers? Because I didn't see a name Janet on it. Or do you have a different shop here? So I can help you out with your sizing question there. Handmade leather wallet, clutch leather wallet. I'm having problems sizing photos. If I make it smaller, the image looks less clear. Okay. Yeah, well, that happens whenever you crop it closer, it is gonna, reduce the quality of it a little bit. The best way to do it would be just to take your photo up a little bit closer when you're actually doing it, because it can stretch it out. But overall, I think this product here, I mean, this is a pretty clear photo. I mean, it could be even clearer, which I would prefer it a little bit clearer, but it is still good. Now, on this one right here, I would recommend more photos of the inside. Okay, Shayla is typing, so I believe Shayla is the owner of this one. I will put blue. Great. I would recommend. Now, I'd also recommend the side profile. I'd love to see how thick it is. That's always a really big concern for me when I'm buying a wallet. And I see that you say it is slim, but like I have a wallet that I bought one time that's really thick and I hate it. I don't hate it. I just never wear it. I keep it in my car. And honestly, this is my wallet. My wallet is the back of my phone right there. That's it. And whenever if I have a card in there that I need, I just pull it out of my wallet, but I don't bring it anywhere because it's just so thick. So I would recommend a side photo, a profile photo showing the thickness of it. I would zip this thing open. I would show a photo of the inside. Take as many photos of your product as possible to really show it off and show people what it's like. What are all the details? Is there pockets on the inside? Is there more details? What is this zipper even holding together? So I would love to put it in. Maybe put some cash and cards in it. Absolutely. Put a bunch of cash in there. That way when people look at it, they're like, damn, I wish I had that wallet. That wallet's got $375 in it. That would be so cool. I mean, if I sold wallets, I think that's what I would do. I think I would put so much cash in that thing, it would be like stretched out. And then people would look at it and they'd be like, wow, I think this wallet is good luck. I'm going to buy this wallet. And then one day I'm going to have a wallet full of cash like that. Such a great opportunity. Bling it out. Let's look at this one here. Southwestern pendant style, handmade Western styled unisex dog collar, personalized pet accessories, hand tooled, boy, dog, girl. So the keywords on this one, I feel like my mom in English class. This is a run-on sentence. There's too many words here. And your product this is what it is. It's a dog collar. Okay. So all of these other words here are just describing it. Southwestern, pendant styled, handmade, Western styled, unisex dog collar. I would recommend cutting it down and I would make my keywords more punchy. So you can do something like Right here, you could do Southwestern dog collar, Western dog collar. And you don't really need to have so many keywords, especially in a row, because it's going to push your main keyword way down there. So look at this one, Southwestern dog collar, 1,972 results. Let's look up, let's try leather, because I think this looks like it's leather, and your shop's all about leather. There we go. Great. So I think, Gloria, if you're having an issue, just go ahead and refresh your screen. I think it's just an issue on your computer there. Nobody else has, or if anybody else is having an issue with their view, let me know. But Gloria, I think you just got to refresh your screen. You'll be able to see it better. And then let's try Western. Let's see what Western dog collar brings us. 2,087 results. So that could be your next one. Now let's try leather dog collar, 90,000. So let's try leather Western. Let's see what here. Leather Western dog collar has 1,093 results. So that's actually a pretty good keyword there because it's pretty specific, but it's not too long. And then, so this detail right here, pendant styled, doesn't really help you out a lot because people don't search that at all. They don't search pendant styled. Not very often. Maybe let's look up and see what we get. Pendant dog collar, poncho. Actually, oh, okay. But when I look up pendant dog collar, I'm getting people looking for necklaces. Concho. I don't know what concho means, but we'll try it. We'll search it up. Poncho. There we go. That's a good keyword. See, you already know. You already know these keywords, Shayla. So that's how I recommend doing it. And then I always like to just separate keywords with commas or something like that, just so it's easier for me to know where they ended. Or you can do dashes or something like that. But I'll pop these in here for you. I would recommend that. And then on this one right here, see, the photos are the next area you could work on a little bit. This one I like because it's just centered. It looks really, the framing is really nice on this one. We've got the black fence post. We got the light colored grass in line with the collar. And then we got the clouds and the sky above. So that one, you knocked it out of the park. This one is really nicely centered. This one here, I feel like it's a very dark leather with a dark piece of wood, and kind of the same on that one. So I don't know if that one's really quite as, I don't know. It could just be a little bit better, I think. And then these products right here, if you just zoomed out a little bit more so we could see the whole product in the photo, like this one's just a little bit cut off on the top of the bottom, and then this one's cut off on the top of the bottom. Zoom it out a little bit is going to help people see the whole product a little better. And oh, there we go, winner. I would take any photos your customers send you and they've got a cute photo showcasing the product. Go ahead and add that photo to the listing so people can see, that what it looks like on an actual pup, and of course, maybe a little bit different dog than you've got. So love the shop, Shayla. Very pretty. Love the artwork that you're making here.